Hey, everybody. Okay, in my previous video, I talked about corporate greed, and some people might have thought, oh man, that was a little depressing. But I am an optimistic person, and I really am positive. So, what I wanted to do is I wanted to share with you some of the ways I'm looking at how do we turn this into revenue? How do we make money and different things? And really how you guys might be able to do it too. So let me share with you how I see my breakdown right now, and maybe it'll give you some food for thought as well. So when it comes to my side of the business, I really see things in two ways. I have a B2B side and a B2C side. Obviously, B2B is the corporate side, B2C is the consumer side. Let me break this down. On the B2B side, what what I used to do at LinkedIn and what I did for LinkedIn is that I would bring people in and I'd interview them. Maybe there were two of us, maybe there were four of us, maybe there was like a whole group, right? But we would have conversations and I would turn all that into training videos, a lot like what you're seeing right now. So I would be able to bring in subject matter experts, product managers, marketing managers, sales reps, interview them, capture the knowledge, have these edits all done, and get that out to the field. So it's a great way to train the field very quickly. Uh, the feedback on it was phenomenal. So it really is a great service, and it's perfect for the right type of business. So those businesses that need training and things like that, I can provide that for them. So that's one part of my B2B side. The other part I'm thinking about is how do I bring in and do more presentations? I've done a lot of workshops. I used to, um, uh, well, I've got two presentations coming up this March, but I would talk about LinkedIn. I would talk about LinkedIn video influence. I have a course and a program where I talk about video charisma. I call it webcam charisma, if you will. So, how do we put together these types of presentations? Those workshops, very valuable, but I got to figure out how to start getting paid for those. I've done a lot of freebies, right? And I've done it to CEO organizations, American Business Women's Association. Those were actually in person here in town. Um, I've done other presentations, but I need to start getting paid for those. I know some speakers who do, and it's that would be pretty sweet. So that's very much my B2B side. But when it comes to the B2C side, what am I looking to do here? Scott, why are you on YouTube? Little things like that. Taking a look at the consumer side of things, when I'm over here, the first thing I think about are some of the digital courses and maybe coaching. So one of the programs I have coming up is about Ikigai, and what Ikigai is, it talks about how do you find what you enjoy doing, what the world needs, what people need to learn, what people are willing to pay for. What does that look like? And how can you begin to craft, your business, your purpose behind that? So I'll talk more about that in a separate video. But that's primarily my first one. The second one, since I've done this presentation so many times, is obviously a webcam charisma course. And that would be natural. I've done that presentation so many times now that I know it like the back of my hand. I just need to package it up as a course, put it behind on a platform so I can sell it. So that's the digital courses are definitely there. I will say though, I worry about digital courses in light of all the AI developments going on. Because really, if you want to learn anything, you can just go to AI and put in a query and you'll learn stuff. So I think the digital courses are evolving in light of AI now, but I do believe there's a place for coaching, and there's still a need for people. People want humans. People want to connect one on one with people. Um, that to me is so important, particularly in light of all this AI stuff. So coaching will continue to play a role. I'm thinking about what type coaching might I do? How can I get to meet some of you that are watching this? How do I meet some of y'all one on one? So be on the lookout for that. That's another piece of it. And I don't know if it's going to be one on one or if I might do some cohort based coaching, think group coaching on some of the different areas, particularly as I think about my webcam charisma and my ikigai. So that's kind of where I see that playing. The third B2B side that I see coming gets into community and content. And what do I mean by that? What I mean is when I'm thinking about community, everything that we're doing here on YouTube, if I ever get monetized, do you create a YouTube membership? Do you create a community here so we can all be together? Or do you take it offline? Do you go to a school? Do I leverage Stand Store? And I'll talk about both of those platforms in another video. But do we take it offline to where we can create a place where we can um, uh, communicate, where we can talk, where I can also do live streams because I want to get into live streaming for our community and interview a lot of interesting people. So trust me, I don't have all the answers. I'm not even close to having all the answers, but I bet those of you out there watching, we all bring something to the table. So, what I want to be able to do is to be able to do some live streaming and bring people in and have that as part of the community. So, we can have courses, we could have our talks, we could have private workshops, private videos, things like that, and we can interview one another, learn from one another. So, that's kind of where I see things going. And January was an interesting month, just getting my feet underneath me when it comes to YouTube. And I'm learning a lot more on the YouTube platform. And I look to bring all of this for really all of us is about creating that sense of community. So if you're interested in stuff like that, please let me know. Leave a comment. Watch my other videos, leave a comment there, subscribe. I'd love to get y'all's input on what this could look like as we figure out how do we best support one another as we start going through this, as the economy morphs, as AI begins to take on a bigger presence, and as we try to figure out just what the heck are we going to do next at our age. If that sounds like something you're interested, please like, share, subscribe, and I'd love to have you on board for the journey. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.